Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. My name is Mahavir and in this video I will show you how to design a professional resume. But before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, now let's see how to design beautiful and professional resumes, also known as CVs. Open Google and type designstudio.small.seo tools. This is the website that we are looking for. Open it. Guys, this is how the website looks. Now just scroll down and just see for the section called Resume Builder. There's a button over here, Build Resume. Now a resume builder template has opened. We have different categories over here like simple resume, professional resume, photo resume, modern resume and others. We want to create a professional resume, so we'll select professional resume. Now just scroll down. There's a button over here which is highlighting and says View all professional resume templates. We now need to click on it. The professional resume template has opened. Now they have given the different templates which we can use. Also, there is pagination over here for the navigation to the next page. I like the first template which they have given. Just click on it. Now we need to click on the square icon which is there on the right side. Guys, this is the blueprint or also known as the template of the resume. In order to make changes to this template and to enter our details, we need to click on that particular label or the field. Like the first field says the name. Like just double click and select all the text. Then enter your name like Aman Sharma. Then on the next line we can add the profession. Again double click and then select the text. Then there is section for updating the work experience. Enter your designation and the company details along with the year and the details of the work. Then just below it update your educational details along with the year and the institute or school name. Next, just below the education section, there is a section called professional skills. You can update your professional skills over there. You just need to double click on that particular section and you can edit the details over there. Similarly, you can change the color also of the section. Just below the there is a section for interest. You can update your interest over there. Now on the left side, on the top left corner, you can update your profile image. Update a professional and good looking image of yourself because that is where the company will look for your image. Next, just below your image, you need to update a small description about yourself under About Me section. Write a small intro about yourself and the skills that you have. Then, just below About Me, update your contact details in Contact Me section. Details like your address, your email, your phone number. If you have website, then guys, you can edit all this detail. You just need to double click on each particular section or the label. Once you have finished editing the template of your resume, then verify all the details and ensure that all the details entered in the resume template is correct. After verifying the detail, click on the yellow color icon which is there on the top right corner, which allows you to download the resume. There are three options to download, that is high quality PNG format, small quality JPEG format, and high quality document, that is PDF format. You can download the resume using any of the given format, but I will suggest you guys to use only PNG or PDF format while downloading the resume. Once downloaded, you can then share your resume with the company for job application.